Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Wiser app. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an insights app. So you have easy access to key insights from the world's best books on productivity, business, negotiation, money, investment, health, and love, and more. So it's basically to help you read or understand the bigger picture or have key insights on your emotions or things in life. So it basically gives you quotes or passages from a book that helps you be enlightened more, I guess. So I'll actually go here to producthunt.com, and as you can see, they're rated 4 star. I mean, 4.4 stars out of 5. And a lot of people have said that they're good. So a lot of people have rated them 5 stars. So it's a great idea and great execution. I love this concept. I love the idea. And again, so a lot of people have said that this is a good product, and since it is on the App Store and the Google Play Store, there is no harm in downloading them since they are not a virus or they're not a scam. Since you don't actually need to pay for anything right here. So yeah, this is actually a good product, and if you want more insight on like your business, money, and investment health, and a lot more, you can use Wiser to get more insight on that. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.